If you're trying to install an app on your iPhone, and if it shows that this app cannot be downloaded, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And make sure that you're either connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile network. And also check your internet connection, because a weak internet connection might cause this issue. But if this did not fix your issue, then you can follow the next step. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Sign Out. Now just sign out of your Apple ID, then wait for a few seconds and sign back in. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls of your iPhone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on App Store Media, Web and Games. Now on this page, just tap on Apps. Now just open the age rating section. Now if it is on Don't Allow or on a low age, just select the maximum age, which is in our case 18 plus, or just select Unrated. And after you do that, you will most likely fix this issue, because in most of the cases this issue appears because of a restriction over here. Now if this did not fix your issue, then go back and under Content and Privacy Restrictions, just disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then check if this fixes your issue or not. And by disabling this feature, you will disable all the parental control settings of your iPhone. Now after that, just go back and in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for App Store. Then tap on it. Now under the mobile data section, just make sure you enable automatic downloads. Then tap on App Downloads. Now if it is on Ask Over 200 MB or Ask Always, just select Always Allow. Because if you're trying to install an app using your mobile data, this feature will not allow you to download apps which are over 200 MB. So select Always Allow if you want to use your mobile data to install apps on your iPhone. After that, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now let's install this app, and as you can see, it started downloading. But in your case, if this issue is still not fixed, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix this app cannot be downloaded problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.